This guide covers the causes behind this issue and discovers effective solutions that can help unlock a blocked iPhone regardless of the specific circumstances. Part 1. Why iPhone is disabled when connecting it to iTunes. Multiple incorrect passcode attempts. Child enters random passcodes. iPhone enters recovery mode. Accidental attempts to unlock. Screen issue or settings conflict. Connect to iTunes message. Part 2. How to fix iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes efficiently. iOS Unlock will allow you to get your phone back in working order and connect to iTunes when it's locked due to several wrong password attempts. Part 3. How to undisable an iPhone with iTunes. If you have attempted to fix the disabled iPhone but are unable to connect to iTunes to enter the passcode, you can try booting your iPhone into recovery mode first. Afterward, you can use iTunes for device restore or iOS update in this mode. Part 4. How to unlock iPhone that is disabled. Connect to iTunes via iCloud. If your disabled iPhone cannot connect to iTunes, you can restore it using iCloud. Ensure Find My iPhone is set up and the device has an internet connection. Part 5. How to fix iPhone disabled. Connect to iTunes via Find My app. Find My is the ultimate app for locating lost or stolen devices. It includes an erase feature that easily resets locked Apple devices, erasing all data and settings.